Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Hello, Tākaro Tribe. What are you up to today?
It's been raining all morning, Kōkā. We're sheltering and wearing leaf hats to keep us dry.
That's very clever, U.
Titiro mai, Kōkā. I've made a necklace from puti flowers.
It's beautiful, E.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, ā. Is everyone there?
Aye.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā.
Tākaro Tribe, Pēpē Kiwi needs your help.
We're always happy to help, Pāpā Rākau. Oh, but it's raining. We can't go anywhere.
It stopped raining here in the forest.
We'll come and see you, Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai, but you must visit Kōkā first.
Let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. Pāpā Rākau says Pepe Kiwi needs our help.
It's always good to help others.
While it was raining, I made this hey puti flower necklace.
Do you know what made the flowers grow? And what's causing all the rain?
Ka, Kōkā.
It's the season of Kōanga, spring.
And in Kōanga spring, we have flowers and rain.
That's right, E. Now you need to go to Pāpā Rākau.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Ah, Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. We're pleased it stopped raining, Pāpā Rākau.
Unfortunately, the rain has created a problem. The stream has flooded, and now Pēpē Kiwi can't get back to his whānau, family. Could you help him cross the stream?
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She said it's Kōanga, spring. And Kōanga, spring, brings us flowers and rain.
Do you know what our spring brings?
How?
Let's take a look. In Kōanga, spring, it rains a lot and the sun shines more warmly. The warmth and rain encourages seeds in the earth to germinate. This also causes trees to grow new leaves and flowers to blossom.
Ooh! Whoa!
Kōriake! Out of the way!
Whoa! Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe!
Don't forget your recycling bags. You can collect paper. You collect the krahe, glass. You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taiki e.
Be on the watch for Pēpē Kiwi, Tākaro Tribe.
Ka pai! All aboard, Tākaro Tribe! We're off!
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the ngahere forest.
Ira, look, I can see an awa stream. And it's rained so much, water's everywhere.
That's called flooding,
No wonder Pepe Kiwi can't get home.
That pack's off so we can collect rubbish.
Ira, look, the Y has washed down lots of rubbish. Yeah, I've got some glass. I found a plastic container.
That's not the right bag.
Yay!
Tākaro Tribe, Mama Kiwi is calling.
We have to help Pēpē Kiwi cross the stream. But the wire's too strong to cross. I know what would help Pēpē Kiwi. Pēpē Kiwi could fly across on Pooh's back.
That's a good idea. But Pēpē Kiwi lives on the ground. He's too scared to fly.
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock. Kōanga is the word of the day.
But how does that help Pēpē Kiwi? Spring flowers. We could give Pēpē Kiwi E's flower necklace. If he looks at that while flying on Pooh's back, he won't get scared. Good idea, Oo. Will you try it, Pēpē Kiwi? Look at the corner. Spring flowers, Pēpē Kiwi. Then you won't be scared to fly. Ira, look! Pēpē Kiwi is doing just fine. Pēpē Kiwi is back with Mum.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Is Pēpē Kiwi safe?
He's back with Mama Kiwi.
Well done. Shall we look at what our friends have been up to today?
Kōanga. 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 Kōanga.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. Rain flooded a stream, separating Pēpē Kiwi from his mama. Pooh could fly Pēpē Kiwi over the stream. But Pēpē was too scared to fly. He gave him her flower necklace to look at, so he wouldn't feel scared. You helped Mama and Pēpē Kiwi get safely back together. And you learned a new word. Ke, o, a, ng, a. Ko, a, nga. Kōanga. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia.